Hey, it's Oliver with Specs Collective. Today we're unboxing one of Oliver Peoples' most iconic frames, the Gregory Peck. It comes in their signature brown case, simple, understated, and true to the brand's philosophy. Shown here in the most popular color, Workman Grey, the Gregory Peck is available in 3 sizes and 10 colors overall. The craftsmanship is classic Oliver Peoples, subtle branding and thoughtful details. There's a discreet logo plaque in the temple tip, and, in certain transparent colors, the embedded core wire is visible, reinforcing the frame while adding hidden artistry. Inside the temples are etched inscriptions, the Oliver Peoples Los Angeles logo, handcrafted in Italy, and the model details with color and size. The Gregory Peck is a timeless classic, vintage in spirit, yet modern in sensibility. Oliver Peoples also offers what's known as low bridge fit or Asian fit, designed for those with a lower nose bridge. This version helps prevent slipping and provides a more comfortable, secure fit. There's also a custom sun clip made specifically for the Gregory Peck, letting you switch to sun protection instantly without needing a separate pair of prescription sunglasses. And of course, it's available as a sunglass on its own, shown here in semi-matte LBR, one of the collection's most popular colors. I've linked all variations in the description. The optical, low bridge fit, sun clip, and sunglass editions are all available at Specs Collective. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon with more eyewear.